The Amatis Border Router, or AMBR for short, functions much like the Wi-Fi router at your house. It is used to access the wireless mesh from the internet. To power up your AMBR for the first time, plug the 24-volt power supply into the nearby wall outlet and the Cat5 cable into your building's internet connection. When mounting the AMBR into your space, you should keep in mind a few best practices to ensure ideal operation of your Amatis system. Each AMBR can communicate with up to 100 Amatis devices. This includes smart drivers, advanced load controllers, and sensor ones. Ideal placement of the AMBR would be central to the mesh network that it's controlling, which would also correspond to the placement of the AMBR in the design. Much like the other products in the Amatis system, the AMBR is a wireless communications device. To ensure optimal performance of your Amatis system, it is best to place the AMBR in locations which do not block wireless signals. For instance, a metal cage of a network cabinet would be a bad place to install the AMBR. That is because metal blocks wireless signals. Instead, consider mounting your AMBR similar to how you would mount your building's Wi-Fi router, with emphasis on centralizing the AMBR to your Amatis network of devices. Lastly, let's talk about network access. The AMBR uses a secure VPN connection to our Amatis cloud, which it can establish automatically, but which also requires a path to the internet. Many buildings have firewalls in place, which can prevent the AMBR from accessing the internet. Make sure you communicate with your building owner's IT staff to ensure that the following ports have been open for the AMBR. Your AMBR will take about 2 minutes after being powered up and connected to the internet before it will establish a secure connection to the cloud. In this time, it will go through a series of flashing LEDs.